The most effective way to transport large amounts of oil or natural gas over long distances remains the pipeline. In pipelines that have been in use for decades, manufacturing flaws like cold welds or hook cracks can lead to degradation through corrosion or fatigue. Assessing whether a flaw will remain stable or grow to become a serious defect is the main purpose of non-destructive testing. At Applus RTD, we recognize the importance of detecting anomalies as early as possible in order to prevent failure or shutdowns. Current non-destructive inspection strategies detect flaws early enough, but they have limitations. Characterization of anomalies can be difficult, as can orientation. It can be hard to differentiate between geometry and crack, and there are limited sizing capabilities. Inspired by techniques regularly used in other fields, which transform ultrasonic signals into a clear 3D digital picture of what's beneath the surface, Applus RTD has developed in the range of NDT 3D the RTD IWEX. IWEX stands for Inverse Wave Field Extrapolation. Its purpose is to scan seam welds for defects using ultrasonic array technology, based on full matrix capture. An array of probe elements is driven alongside the weld. All elements consecutively fire a signal into the pipe. This generates ultrasonic wave fields, which are echoed back and received by the probes. This allows for more data to be acquired quicker and more accurately compared to standard ultrasonic testing. A fingerprint image is generated. The received data is processed using the IWEX algorithm and converted into a cross-sectional image, which can be represented in both 2D and 3D. The Applus RTD IWEX process is software operated, consisting of 4 phases. The dedicated IWEX software system is able to accurately and consistently calibrate the instrument. This significantly decreases preparation time while negating differences of interpretation by different operators. The instrument is placed upon the seam weld and makes its way alongside the pipe. The probes send their signals to the pipe wall, scanning the weld completely. The echo wave field is received and processed. As the data enters the system, it is converted into pixels, generating an easy-to-interpret three-dimensional fingerprint image. This allows for accurate sizing and orientation and makes it easier to differentiate and assess whether the flaw will remain stable over time or grow into a serious defect. The image can be enhanced by applying post-processing steps. Indications are much more clearly visible than with regular ultrasonic testing. Almost immediately, a quick and well-structured readout of the results is generated in a templated report. Compared to standard inspection analysis, this can save up to weeks in time. Exhaustive testing has proved RTD IWEX to be a resilient and effective testing method for seam weld anomalies. The Applus RTD IWEX, providing clear insight into pipeline integrity.